This is actually fun!
Crazy, man.
Okay, I need to stop.
Okay, I just received this box. It's JVC NZ700 or NZ700. The B stands for black. The ISF certification means the projector can be calibrated to ISF standards through the ISF compulsory ISF parameters. So I open the box and I immediately see another box. I spy with my little eye the AC cable and the remote control. There's supposed to be the instruction manual as well over there. However, I can't seem to find it. But after owning JVC for quite a number of years, at least I never needed to use the manual. Moving on to the remote control. It's the same usual atrocious remote control. It feels clicky but not in a good way. There's quite a mushy feel before you can feel the click. Also, if you're using constant image height, the lens memory cannot be accessed by a single press, but you have to go to settings memory, choose the one you want, press OK, then you press go back and you press go back again. And then and only then you can start enjoying the movie. It's too much work. And for a $10,000 projector, you should not have to do that at all. But
I like big, but then I cannot lie.
Shut up! There's nothing else negative I can say about this projector except for the fact that it does not play 3D. As for the rest of the performance, there's nothing wrong with anything. Nothing wrong with this projector at all. In fact, even if you compare this projector to a Sony projector that's cost $5,000 US more, and yes, I did say $5,000 US more than its projector, which translates to about 50% higher in price than the JVC NZ700. The video performance simply won compared to any other projector, costing the same or even more than this projector. Black level, win. Color accuracy, win. Dynamic tone mapping, win. Value proposition, win. Native contrast ratio, win. Price, win. Even from a size standpoint, it's also winning. After all, it is the smallest native 4K laser projector available currently on the market. So yeah, extremely highly recommended. And while you're at it, leave your comments down below. And also don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And now, my recommended settings for you all. Please remember, this is not a calibration setting. So now grab your remote, press menu, click right, all the way right. Go, 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 go. One more. There you go. Go to installation settings, click OK or enter. Go to lens control to do shift, zoom, and focus. Of course, in order to do that, the image pattern has to be turned on. When you're done doing that, go to Pixel Adjust to adjust the convergence of the projector. This is to ensure the red, green, and blue panels inside the projector are aligned. Set the adjust to on, adjust area whole, adjust color red, adjust pattern on, and choose adjust pixel. This is not comprehensive, of course. That's the job of the professional calibrator. And in some instances, such as this unit, I didn't have to do anything. It's just perfect out of the factory. Of course, you can use adjust fine, then when done, go to the color blue and do the same thing all over again. In general, I usually take about 40 minutes to 1 hour to do all this. From there, you go to screen settings and refer to your manual, what kind of screen you're using, and just enter those numbers. Now we go back to the top right corner and choose picture settings. In there, set picture mode SDR as natural, color profile auto, and set color temperature to 7500 instead of 65. Set gamma to 2.4 if you're watching the projector in a complete darkness. If not, leave it at 2.2. Now go to MPC and set enhance to 3. You then save the MPC data and don't touch the clear motion drive. On the second tab, leave the laser diode power at 46, aperture at -8, and you're done with the standard dynamic range settings. Now for HDR settings, set the picture mode to Frame Adapt HDR2, color profile BT2020, color temp at HDR10. Go to and click HDR settings. Change the HDR settings to frame by frame and leave the rest alone. Now go back to MPC, click OK, set enhance at number 3. Now go to the second tab and set the laser diode power to 90. This way you'll get almost the maximum power that you need from the laser diode, however, without listening to the cooling fan noise. From there, go to the fourth tab and set the correction value to 7500. Please remember, these settings are recommended settings. These are not calibration settings because calibration settings cannot be shared. Changes in projector distance, viewing distance, type of screen, these factors will affect the calibration parameters. So that's it. That's the end of the video. Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you very much for watching and goodbye.